Hello! Today we are going to learn the English alphabet with yummy foods. Are you ready? Let's start. A is for apple.
A is for apple. 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 Apple is red and yummy.
B is for broccoli.
B is for broccoli. 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 Broccoli is green and healthy.
C is for cake.
C is for cake. 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 Cake is sweet and yummy.
D is for donut.
D is for donut. 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 Donut is round and tasty.
E is for eggs.
E is for eggs. 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 Eggs are good for breakfast.
F is for French fries.
F is for French fries. French fries. French fries. French fries are crispy and yummy.
G is for grapes.
G is for grapes. 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 Grapes are sweet and juicy.
H is for hamburger.
H is for hamburger. 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 Hamburger is big and yummy.
I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet.
J is for jelly.
J is for jelly. 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 Jelly is wiggly and fun.
K is for ketchup.
K is for ketchup. 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 Ketchup is red and tasty.
L is for lime.
L is for lime. 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 Lime is little and sour.
M is for milk.
M is for milk. 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 Milk is white and healthy.
N is for nuggets.
N is for nuggets. 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 Nuggets are crunchy and yummy.
O is for orange.
O is for orange. 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 Orange is juicy and sweet.
P is for pizza.
P is for pizza. 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 Pizza is hot and delicious.
Q is for quesadilla.
Q is for quesadilla. 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 Quesadilla is cheesy and yummy.
R is for radish.
R is for radish. 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 Radish is crunchy and fresh.
S is for steak.
S is for steak. 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 Steak is big and tasty.
T is for taco.
T is for taco. 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 Taco is fun to eat.
U is for udon noodles.
U is for udon noodles. Udon noodles. Udon noodles. Udon noodles are long and warm.
V is for vegetables.
V is for vegetables. 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 Vegetables help us grow strong.
W is for watermelon.
W is for watermelon. 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 Watermelon is big and juicy. X is for Ximenia. 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 Ximenia is a special fruit.
Y is for yogurt.
Y is for yogurt. 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 Yogurt is cold and yummy.
Z is for zucchini.
Z is for zucchini. 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 Zucchini is green and healthy.